My name is Bill Gomez, the operations manager for South Bay Molds. A majority of our clients are in the toy industry. The toy industry that are doing prototypes, so they want something in hand that they can see and touch before they go to production. What they will do is they will have a digital artist sculpt this on software, and it's one thing to see it on the computer, but you really have no sense of size and how it's going to fit. So until you print it, there's various materials that can be used. There's rubber-like materials that this can print in. There are different hard plastics that come in different colors, and each one is slightly different in their property. Some more flexible than others, some more heat resistant than others, some are translucent, some are semi-translucent that can be dyed and colored. So there's different materials and each machine is going to have different materials, different limitations. The machine will make thousands of passes, and with each pass, the ultraviolet light cures the liquid as it's being laid. And so as it's being laid, it hardens, and then another material is laid down on top of it. And then eventually you will get your finished part, which will be something like this. As soon as it's done printing, you can take it off, and it's already a solid piece. Only thing it requires is, again, removing the support material. We first manually scrape off the support, and then in a pressure washing machine, we will rinse it off. And we'll do that process several times until we get everything taken off, and then you're done.